Let's play with Kawanimals. Today we'll be making an egg carton kuken. Take an egg carton and ask a grown-up to help you cut out 2 of the bottom holes. Put glue along the side of one and glue them together. Using another piece of the cardboard, draw the crest and tail and cut them out. Paint everything using yellow paint and let it dry. Glue the crest on top and the tail in the back. Using an orange marker, draw an upside-down triangle for the beak. And with a pink marker, the most important thing of all Kawanimals, the heart cheeks. Draw the eyes right on top of the cheeks using a black marker, and then the legs. Now you have your own kuken to look after and are being kind to our planet by reusing trash.